so too much energetic, too aggressive. Be calm and cool for 2 hours. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Well, good afternoon all of you. Assalamu alaikum. So, before going to start the session, there are many queries from the different parent side and teacher side also. Your doubts regarding this viral infection, corona. I have received the email from the Consul General of India and from SPA. So it is stated that only it is whatever the instruction is given inside applicable only for the Indian and Pakistan curriculum schools. Point number one. Number two, it is mentioned that if the schools are having internal examinations, that should be concluded. After the completion, then you can proceed for the vacation. It is clearly mentioned yesterday evening. I am very cautious regarding this area. Definitely, we never see we never ignore the area because it is very serious. So definitely, we will take all the precautions. And some schools are arranging remote learning. We don't have that equipment in our school. Means students will be sitting in the home. For example, grade 7, all students will be like a different students sitting in their home. A teacher will be monitoring from their, like a teacher's home or the school with the Skype or boating, whatever, and you will teach. Such things are, such kind of technology we don't have, we don't possess. So it is not possible for us. Only schools like Indian School Dubai, such a highest schools, biggest schools, jumps our own. So jumps Indian Academy, others are there. They will do that, but we cannot do that. Okay, and don't worry about that only. Whatever the concerns are there, we'll take out. We'll take all the health-based precautions and we'll update you. Okay. And one more thing, morning we came to know that only that nearly 33 cases are registered in Ajman GMC, and there is a separate block was blocked inside the hospital. Better not to go. GMC Ajman, better not to go. There are many cases are already inside the block is totally seized they put under the supervision of people. Better not to approach that any kind of small things to the GMC Ajman. That is my side. I'm just saying to you. Okay, that's one thing. And coming to the other area, now we will start our session. This is based on recent my visit to one of the Indian school Abu Dhabi, where almost all 700 principals attended the program based on the behavioral issues of the students and how teachers are facing, what are the problems, and different areas are there. Different speakers are given the different areas. And whereas Dr. Ravindran was one of the famous renowned psychologists from India, the one who has had given a lot of areas, remedies, solutions, and various things. Based on that, whatever I just learned there, I'm going to share to you, all of you, and it will be utilized in your classroom where you will be accounted with all these things and you will feel somewhat relaxed when you learn, when you practice only. Just attending the program, just listening something and leaving the another ear, and when going to the classroom, just ignoring all these things. These things will not work out in your classroom. If you are learning something that you must practice in the classroom, make it happen with your students, definitely that is going to give some outcome. Without implementing, if you are expecting something, I have attended 2 or 3 seminars, 4 orientations, 5 workshops, and I have well knowledge, so my class will be under my control. These things will not work out. When you learn something without the orientation or presentations or any seminars, you must practice same thing in your classroom. Then only it is applicable, or else it is not possible. Clear? So based on that, the presentation will start. You will see the first one. The topic is based on students' behavioral issues and solutions with the teachers. First, the question, the session started giving the first question. What do we call a behavioral problem? Most of our teachers are saying this student is hyperactive, some student is a learning disability, some is having a kind of a ADHD, something different areas are coming. What I observed, my observation saying that only most of the teachers will give or come to my office with some kind of questions in the form of complaint only. In the form of complaint only. That means most of the time you are getting complaints only, but not solutions. When you are coming to my office, better you come with your solution. What solution you have? What is your idea? What is your viewpoint at the what are the questions raised in your section? What are the complaints raised in your section? Come with the area and we will have a discussion. We will see which is possible, which is applicable, which is easy to do that. We will practice that only. So with that only we may rectify, we may overcome the issue, and the class will go on smooth, like a function will be very easily go on. So the first one is called, what do we call a behavior problem is it's dependent upon norms of the state or the condition of the student. Means the student's norms, how he like a what kind of state, what kind of condition the student. Suppose a negative behavior is called a problem. Student may look like good, he may appear like he may feel like seems to be very good to you, but when he starts speaking to you, interacting to you, or doing some work, he may act, he may behave differently. That is called a negative problem. Wherever you feel a negativity, that is not a problem actually. It has some other symptoms are there. That will come next slide. So